Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'll be swatching the Holo Light Mode collection. This collection has a really cool box. I don't know if anyone remembers a super old game named Q*bert, but this box totally reminds me of it since it has the same isometric pattern. So there are 5 multi-chrome shades in this set. The first one I'm swatching is Sunset Simulation. This shifts between a rose pink and amber. The Holo website describes these polishes as having a buildable sheer formula and suggests to apply 3 coats for the best coverage and effect, so that's what I did for all 5 shades. Next, we have Flash Drive. This one shifts between a purple and magenta. I really love this one since I've been feeling purples a lot lately. I think the shift is so pretty and I just love how bright all of these are. Here is Lite Link, which shifts between teal and sea green. Again, this is so pretty and I love the shift between the greens too. Also, be sure to let me know if you decided to grab this collection for yourself and if you have any favorites. Now we have wireless mode. This multi-chrome shifts between cobalt blue and turquoise. This is kind of the perfect electric blue to me since you can see all the varieties of bright blue with a gorgeous shimmer. And lastly, we have Encryption Key, which shifts between a reddish pink and orange. This one actually may get full coverage in 2 coats if you do not have much of a smile line, but I would still stick to applying 3 just to make sure you get the best multi-chrome effect in the end. Alright, so that does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing the Holo Light Mode collection. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later!